Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our social medias at YouTube. How you guys doing today on this beautiful Saturday? As you guys been telling you guys that brokers have algorithms. Look at this. Right now, my trade is going crazy. Why is it going crazy? Because I hit that number that kind of make their their broker system, their plugins go crazy. I wouldn't know this if I wouldn't have my notifications turned on. A lot of things would happen that a lot of people don't know are happening in the backgrounds. So like right now, you guys could see they're trying to figure out a way not to pay me. Trying to figure out a way not to pay me. Remember, these brokers are not your friends. Brokers are not your friends. So this motherfuckers thinking I'm stupid, but we got them on camera. This might be a good thing for our lawyers to take a look at. Because remember, financial institutions being tampered with, that's a big no-no. So I'm gonna let this roll for a little bit. Let's see how long. Either pay me my first stop loss, my take profit, or else. Watch. See, they're fucking with it. Because they're like, damn, how this motherfucker know where we were going? How did he know what number we needed to be at? I got you, bro. I got you. Motherfuckers think crazy. People think I'm crazy. People calling me a conspiracy theorist. But you have to remember, with technology, there's algorithms. There's ways to figure out ways to maneuver. There's ways to program. There always has to be a back entrance to the system. Kill switch. Watch. They ain't want to pay me. They don't want to pay me. These motherfuckers don't want to pay me, and they'll like any institutions would not pay you. I bet you when I fucking send this message to my broker and say, hey, explain it to me, they're gonna give me some big old bullshit reason about their systems and servers and shit like that. But they're fucking stupid. Because we're seeing it. You gotta record it. So, pay off my take profit. Let it be, bro. Let it be.